Today we'll be starting the same course, which is Craft Brewery Quality Crash Course, and this is part 6. In part 6, we'll be discussing about the single test that we perform with each part of the process in brewing. Last time we discussed about the various types of processes, process quality versus quality control, quality assurance, defining the quality lab program for your brewery, why it is needed, process measurements, where you can take samples to measure various parts of the process so that your process will be in full quality control and you can always be in a position to make good selling beers. So now coming back to the topic of day is yes. So today I first will discuss this instrument, and for this I have to go to YouTube. Easy dense. Yes. Again, I don't have any personal attachments or favors with this brand, but I love this instrument. That's why I'm sharing. Even I own one for me. As you can see, this is very short video.
EasyDense is a handheld density measuring device developed by Anton Parr. Chapter 1. Here's what you need to set up your EasyDense. The EasyDense device. 2 Luer adapters. A 30 cm silicone hose with a Luer lock adapter. A 10 milliliter syringe. A smartphone or a tablet with a Bluetooth low energy interface, which most of the recent generations of smartphones or tablets have. And the installed EasyDense app. A protection cover for your EasyDense is sold separately, shipped with 2 O-rings. Setting up your EasyDense. First, remove the foil from the batteries.
So as you can see, it's very easy. Even a toddler can install this. So I'm taking you straight away to the measuring.
There, press down the piston back up.
So it's very easy. It's just switch on the machine, connect it with the app that you are installed or will be installing in your phone. Yes, this app is paid for iPhone. It's paid even for Android. Few features they have not unlocked for everyone. So for to unlock those features, you have to pay to them, which is yearly subscription kind of thing.
And the app automatically links to the instrument.
Yes, this is the beauty of this instrument. You can use any type of beer to measure its alcohol content.
Is left in the sample into an then one. Chapter 4.
And another thing is it only requires 5 ml of your beer sample. I know most of the microbreweries they use refractometer, which is not for the measurement of beers. Typically we use Plato system in brewing. Refractometers are for bricks and they are for fruit juices, and for wine industry we should always stick to the Plato. And this densitometer always measures in Plato and it's very reliable. And if we want to use the Plato system, then we have to take 1 liter or half liter of sample from the fermenter and we put it into the tank, measuring cylinder, sorry, and this measuring cylinder, every time if we are doing this for like 4 times a day, then we are wasting that much of beer. So this instrument in that case is very cost effective and reliable. One should use this.
L. For bubbles in the cell, if there are any.
And as you can see, it works on very simple principle, which is YouTube manometer thing, and there are very tiny patented technology that Anton is using, which understands the harmonic vibrations of liquid, and it tells density in your phone. And because everyone knows these days I'm working on data, so it also gives you data backed up in your phone, or you can share it with WhatsApp or whatever you want. Very easy. Same grade of instrument people use in industrial breweries like big brands globally, and very nice instrument. Now coming back to our topic. Yes, so we are done with this. These are also, but they are very expensive. I don't know the price, but in lakhs. Microbreweries cannot afford. It's not cost effective for them actually. They can afford, but it's not cost effective. pH meter. This is ATP transferase. This is for the people who are trying to get into kegging, because it tells a lot about your microbial stability in instance. Yeast viability. This is my favorite topic. This is what we are going to discuss today. So most of the time, I've seen in Indian breweries they don't use microscope. Why microscope is needed? We are working with an organism whose size is less than 5 micron. Obviously, we cannot see this with naked eyes. For that, we need this guy. And this guy tells us what is happening in the beer. Now, it tells, let's say you have put a yeast as yeast slurry. So, what is the cell count you are getting immediately after putting or pitching yeast? Whether your yeast is under pitch or you have put extra yeast cells, you can save lots of money as well as the consistency of your beer, because you always know what amount of yeast you are requiring and what do you want, and you can check the viability. All these parameters helps you to make good selling beer. If you don't know the yeast, then there is no way or not good practice to making good beers. Please use microscope, invest in a microscope. Okay, I'm quickly taking you through this thing. So this is microscope, everyone knows. This is humocytometer, where we fill in the sample, and in microscope it looks like this, where we count cells, and then there is a formula for this. This is the traditional method for counting each cell. Nowadays apps are there where you have to tap, right, and count dead or live cell. So that's for now. In next video we'll be discussing about how to check carbonation of beer, why it is necessary, what are the benefits of having it. Thank you.